Hello everyone, and welcome to our weekly overview this week. Last week, weekly overview was really nice. We had many trades, many pips. Don't forget always the weekly overview is divided into two. One, which is today, it's pre-market open, and the second one is tomorrow, which is after market open. Both of them are sponsored by Swissquote Bank, one of the leading investment bank in investment worldwide, one of the 10 biggest investment bank. So it's sponsoring our swing trade system and the way we can trade. So هاي جميعا ويلكم بالويكلي اوفيو. الاسبوع الماضي الويكلي اوفيو كان كتير حلو. بالجزئين تبعه نحن بتعرفوا الويكلي اوفيو عنده جزئين، جزء اليوم عم ينعرض وجزء بكره بيكون عم ينعرض بعد ما يفتح الماركت، واحد قبل ما يفتح الماركت والثاني بعد ما يفتح الماركت. كثير مهم تاخذوا تريدات، تعملوا دراسه عليهم، تعملوا لهم كوبي مثل ما نحن بنعمل دراسه، تبلشوا تتعلموا كيف تعملون، تحضروا حالكم وقت يفتح الماركت تكونوا عم تقدروا تاخذوا التريدز وتقدروا تستفيدوا منه على الجزئين تبعه. اكيد بنتابع البقيه على ديسكورد شانل لحتى نتابع خلال الاسبوع. اذا انتم عندكم ستادي ديسكشن دراسات بنكون عم نبعث. So let's start first by checking the news for next week. There's no big events that's happening next week, like Tuesday only 11 a.m. The red one, big one, the AUD. Governors will speak for the Australian bank. And then on Wednesday, it's a nice day for New Zealandian dollar, NZD dollar, Euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP يعني Euro, UK and dollars, US dollars. So also we might have the FOMC minutes at night. So this is not a trading session. This is more a statement release. Thursday, Friday, there is no big news happening. So let's start with the US 30 on the daily chart. As you can see, we are facing a kind of divergence on the CCI, high, lower high, while also here the percentage R is getting ready to move down. We have to check first on the chart what's happening. We have low, higher, low, high, low, higher, high, and then we have this support here. So as you can see, if it start to break down and it break this level here, so you will be selling. The sell will be around 32,980 39980. 32,970 دي تي بي 1 ده سكالب، 32970 سكالب مثل العادة. 32,639 ده تي بي 2، 32639 تي بي 2. 32,265 تي بي 3، 33665 تي بي 3. 31,842 31842 is the TP 4. Okay, here we have 34,039. Okay, but here this is the sell. The stop loss around okay, we should fix it, guys. Let's go back again. 33,050 the sell, 33,040, 33,050 the sell, 33,040 TP1, 32,841 TP2, 32,589 TP3, and 32,000 is TP4 with a stop loss around 32,200. Okay, while for the buy, we have this resistance. If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up again, breaking this resistance, this is the minor resistance here. Also, but the buy should start from this level. Which is around 34,045 34045. تي بي 1 34055 34055 تي بي 2 34198 34198 تي بي 2 تي بي 3 34638 34638 تي بي 4 35347 35347 the stop loss 33902 33902 أو 930 930 30. Okay, you can check everything in the table. We go for the gold. Gold also it's reversing at some point. Was going down, took the sell last time, took the buy before. So now we have a new potential momentum. You have this resistance. Okay, and we have this support at this level now. So this is Fibonacci. Let's go to Fibonacci retracement also. See how much we can go back down. We are at the 23%, which is very interesting. And now breaking this level, we should have the sell. So the sell will be around 1745 1745 stop loss 1750 1750 تي بي 1 1744 17744 we have the full target TP 2 1738 TP 3 we have the target until 1731 or 30 1730 which is almost the 38.2 we have this resistance here and TP4 the 50% which is 1707 so we might see a nice rejection especially that we have the CCI breaking and the percentage R breaking with a double top here. Here we have high, lower high. Here we have high, higher high. So we have divergence. So everything is ready for gold to go back down. يعني كل شيء ready للجولد تيرجع يبلش ينزل نزول أو يعمل ردة or at least make a retracement down till this level before moving up. But we can cover the TP2, TP3 for this level before the 38.2 retracement. قبل ال 38.2 retracement فينا نكون عم ننزل وعم نرجع نستفيد من هيدي النزلة. As for the buy, also it's very simple. So also for the buy, so also for the buy, as we said, if it start to retrace up and push up until breaking 1790 1790 stop loss 1785 1791 TP1 18 TP2 1816 TP3 and 1844 TP4. Now here also oil prices are pushing down again, moving down again. Let's do the full study for this. We have almost a kind of double top. عندنا تقريبا شكل double top عم بيتحضر. Already انعمل يعني. So no, we can take it, we can use it. So this was the double top. Almost started to move down like the last week. Last يعني Friday. Hitting also this resistance. Okay, so here we will have oil. هلا we'll check the daily. It's already so much down here on CCI percentage R. Now let's see a kind of reversal on the 4-hour is getting ready. As you can see here, we have divergence on the 4-hour up for the CCI percentage R already started to break. So at some point we start to push up here. And once it's open, it makes a wick down and start to push up again. So for the 4 hour candles, I will be looking for this reversal for a push down on the 4 hours. Wick down, we have a clean traffic up as you can see. So for oil, if it makes a wick down and start to push up 80.40 80.40 الشروة 80.50 تي بي 1 80.83 تي بي 2 81.38 تي بي 3 and 82.18 تي بي 4 stop loss 79.90. And now for the reversal down, if we go to the 30-minute candle, this is interesting for this 30-minute candle. We have this support line for the 30-minute candle. This is support area. Now, if it breaks down, we have a clean traffic down. As you can see, the sell. نشوف السell. Sell will be around 79.50. Stop loss 79.70. TP1 79.30. TP3 79. TP2 79. TP3 78.39 and TP4 the full target 77.57. We move to the GBP JPY. Also on the daily, as you can see here, we have a potential flag. We take this from the side, we have a potential flag here. We have a potential flag, as you can see. So the sell will be 165.28 almost. Stop loss 165.90 around. Let's see how it will break. It's very important. The main stop loss will be 166.70. Okay, the TP1 sell 165.28, 165.18 the scalp, 164.56 TP1, 163.43 TP2, and the full target will be at this level around 160.05. Okay, so for the buy, we might have this resistance which is interesting. هيدا resistance مهمة this level. Okay, where if we break the high إذا كسرنا الهاي open makes a wick down and start to push up again 167.55 stop loss 67.05 67.65 TP1 scalp 68.50 TP2 69.53 TP3 and 70.87 TP4. Okay, هلا if you want to have the full sell, the more secure sell and the full sell here, you should go below the support. So you must wait until it breaks all the way down. This is the official sell. Okay. Oh, every time the same. Okay. So as you can see, the sell 162.85, stop loss almost 66.60. No need for all this, by the way. Stop loss around 33.40, 62 85 sell, 62.75 TP1, clean traffic 62.05 TP2, 61 TP3, and 60 TP4. We go for the Bitcoin. As you can see, we are still in the triangle, descending triangle for the Bitcoin. And we are still handling the move down, especially if we break 15,438 15430 stop loss 16,000 TP1 15,100 TP2 13,800 TP3 12,500 and TP4 10,258, the full target of the descending triangle that we already have. As for the buy, we are still holding the buy for above this neckline, which is the downline the down support of the descending triangle. The buy will be around 18,218, TP1 18,418, TP2 19,031, TP3 20,343, 22,000 is TP4. Okay, and the stop loss will be around 17,862. So now we go for the Euro USD, and Euro USD looking for a bearish move. As you can see, we have a clear divergence here. We have a clear divergence here down. We have almost also a head and shoulder on the percentage William R. Here it's a potential nice reversal down for the euro dollar. This is the support. Now, if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down again, this will be interesting. So we might have the sell here. So the sell will be 1.02. Sell will be 1.03. Stop loss 1.0330. TP1 1.06. Of course, you need the open, wick up, and after making a wick up to push down, TP1 1.090290, TP2 1.0260, TP3 1.0214, and TP4 1.0125. As for the buy, we'll be looking for this by 1.0443 after breaking this resistance for a wick fill. 1.0443, stop loss 1.0413, $1.0453 TP1, 1.0485 TP2, 1.0538 TP3, and 1.0625 TP4. We go to GBP USD. Also, let's remove the old studies and get to the new study. We have this support at this level also with a divergence getting ready for a move up. Look, we have a high, higher high, while here, and now we have a high, lower high. So now breaking the support down for CCI and percentage R, breaking down and breaking this support down will be a nice potential sell. فيها تكون نقطة مبيع كتير حلوة إذا بلشت تكسر هول الليفلز. So the sell around 1.1745, stop loss 1.1805, 1.17, 1.6, 1.1735 TP1, 1.1660 TP2, 1.1549 TP3, and the full target for the clean traffic 1.1370 TP4. As for the buy, you might have also the same like euro, this resistance area up with a long position up. So 1.1970, stop loss 1.1930, 1.1980, TP1, 1.2022 TP2, 1.2126 TP3, and 1.2250 the TP4. With the stop loss, of course, 1.1925 almost. AUD USD, AUD USD. Also, all of them are almost the same because this is the dollar, the US dollar working here. The buy, if we break the high of the previous candles, it will be 0.6805, stop loss 0.6780, 0.6815 TP1, 6860 TP2, 69 TP3, and 6960 TP4. Okay, and for the support, we have our new support at this level. So wick up and then pushing down. The sell 0.6624, stop loss 0.6664, TP1 0.6614, TP2 0.6580, TP3 0.6550, and the TP4, the full target down will be 0.6422. NZD USD, also all of them CCI above the candle, so we might have a reversal soon for the buy, and here we have the support for the sell with the wick fill. Okay. So here we have 0.6110 stop loss sell, 0.6140 stop loss, 0.61 TP1, 0.6070 TP2, 0.6025 TP3, and 0.5955 TP4, while the buy is around 0.6217, stop loss 0.62, yeah, 0.6220, stop loss 0. Entry 0.62 stop loss, 0.6230 TP1, 6260 TP2, and 63 TP4. 63 and 6342 TP4. The USD CHF also making the reversal, the promised reversal that we were waiting for from last week. As I told you, it's hitting the support and we might see a reversal. It's already doing it. So we have this support at this level now, this resistance here at this level, this resistance area. The buy has moved to this potential level. If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up back, 0.9566, stop loss 0.94, 9546, 76 TP1, 9606 TP2, 9653 TP3, and 97 TP4. If it turns and start to push down, the sell will be again, let's go down for this, it will be at this level, around 0.9348, 0.9348, stop loss 0.9380, TP1 0.9338, 0.9288 TP2, 0.9240 TP3, and 0.9190 TP4. We go for the USD CAD. Also, the USD CAD making the reversal that you were waiting for. All the market done, especially with the weakness of the dollars. Let's see here. So if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, you have a clean traffic on the left. The buy will be 1.3420. الباي 1.3420. Stop loss 1.3384. 1.3384 stop loss. We have a clean traffic عنا هون انطلاقة فيها تطلع حلوة فاضية clean. And then 134 قلنا نحن 20. The entry 134.30 TP1, 135 TP2, 135.73 TP3, and 136.31 TP4. As for the sell, we already said 132, 132.20 the sell, 132.50 stop loss, 32.10 TP1, 31.40 TP2, 30.90 TP3, and the full target for the head and shoulder for the SD CAD will be 130.50. If we reach this level, it will be a nice one. So hopefully this weekly overview was beneficial. This is the first part. هذا أول جزء من الweekly overview. إن شاء الله كان مفيد. Tomorrow at Monday 10 p.m. Dubai time, we will have again the weekly overview part 2, always sponsored by Swissquote Bank. Okay, see you guys. Thank you.